Hello and welcome to Electrical Storehouse. In this video, we are going to discuss about stepper motor. Stepper motor is an incremental motion machine. That means the motor which turns in discrete movement called the steps. Stepper motor is a special type of synchronous motor which is designed to rotate through a specific angle called a step angle for which step electrical pulse received by its control unit. Typical steps are 2 degree, 2.5 degree, 5 degree, 7.5 degree and 15 degree per pulses. These motors are built to follow signals as rapid as 1200 pulses per second and with equivalent power ratings up to several kilowatt. Stepper motor is used in digitally controlled position control system in loop mode. In open loop mode, the input command is in the form of a train of pulses to turn a shaft through a specified angle. Stepper motor is a brushless DC electric motor that divides a full rotation into a number of equal steps. The stepper motor is used for precise positioning with a motor such as hard disk drive, robotics, antennas, telescope and some toys. Stepper motors cannot run at high speeds but have a high holding torque. There are mainly three types of stepper motor: permanent magnet stepper motor, variable reluctance stepper motor, hybrid synchronous stepper motor. If I am talking about advantage and applications of stepper motor, so advantages are compatibility with digital system. The angular displacement can be precisely controlled without any feedback arrangement. No sensor are needed for position and speed sensing. It can be readily interfaced with microprocessor. And applications are paper feed motors in typewriters and printers, positioning of print heads, pens in XY plotters, recording heads in computer disk drive, positioning of workable and tools in numerically controlled machine equipments. Let's start the MCQs based on stepper motor. A variable reluctance stepper motor is constructed of material with salient poles. Options are paramagnetic, ferromagnetic, diamagnetic and non-magnetic. So correct answer is ferromagnetic. Next question is, the rotor of a stepper motor has no. Options are slip ring, commutator, brushes and all of the mentioned. So correct answer is all of the mentioned. Next question is, a stepping motor is a device. Options are mechanical, electrical, analog, incremental. Correct answer is incremental. Next question is, which of the following phase switching sequence represent half step operation of a VR stepper motor? Options are ABCA, ACBA, ABBCCAAB, AAB, BCCB. So correct answer is A, A, B, 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 C. In the half-step operation of a variable reluctance motor, physical step resolution is multiplied by 2 and control signals appear to be digital rather than analog. Next question is, the rotational speed of a given stepper motor is determined solely by the options are shaft load, step pulse frequency, polarity of stator current, magnitude of stator current. So correct answer is step pulse frequency. Next question is, a stepper motor may be considered as a converter. Options are DC to DC, AC to AC, DC to AC, digital to analog. So correct answer is digital to analog. Next question is, which type of device is a stepper motor? Options are electromechanical, electrochemical, embedded system, electromagnetic. So correct answer is electromechanical. Next question is, length of rotation is directly related to. Options are torque, number of input pulses, frequency of input pulses, solenoid. Correct answer is number of input pulses. Next question is, a soft iron multi-tooth rotor and wound stator is present in. Options are permanent magnetic stepper motor, variable reluctance stepper motor, hybrid stepper motor, and DC motor. So correct answer is variable reluctance stepper motor. This is VR stepper motor. Next question is, which type of stepper motor have low cost and low resolution of motor? Options are permanent magnetic stepper motor, variable reluctance stepper motor, hybrid stepper motor, and DC motor. Correct option is permanent magnetic stepper motor. Next question is, which among of the following is a property of hybrid stepper motor? And options are contain a soft iron multi-tooth rotor, low cost and low resolution of motor, the better performance provided with respect to step resolution, provide an increased magnetic flux. So correct answer is the better performance provided with respect to step resolution. Next question is, what is the step angle of hybrid stepper motor? Options are 0.9 degree to 3.6 degree, 0.9 degree to 7.0 degree, 0.1 degree to 1.0 degree, 0.1 degree to 0.9 degree. Correct answer is 0.9 degree to 3.6 degree. The choice of the angle depends upon the angular resolution required for application. Next question is, which type of motor is most suitable for computer printer device? Options are reluctance motor, hysteresis motor, stepper motor, commutator motor. Correct answer is stepper motor. Next question is, stepper motor widely used because. Options are wide speed range, large rating, no need for field control, compatibility with digital system. Correct answer is compatibility with digital system. Next question is, for a stepper motor, what is the correct relationship between the maximum slew rate MSR and the load? Options are MSR decreases as load is reduced, MSR increased considerably as load is increased, MSR increased as load is reduced, MSR remains the same even if the load is changed. Correct option is MSR increased as load is reduced. Next question is, when the motor speed of the stepper motor increases, the torque will. Options are increases, remain same, decreases, none of the above. So correct answer is decreases. Next question is, the stepper motor has full torque at. Options are full speed, normal speed, zero speed, all speeds. Correct answer is zero speed. Next question is, what is the difference between full step and half step? Options are in full step, two phases are on, and in half step only one phase is on. More resonance is evident in half step, more power required for full step, and half step offers better resolution. Correct option is half step offer better resolution. Next question is, if an application using a stepper motor required feedback, which device would be needed to accomplish this? Options are counter, encoder, linear guide, commutator. Correct option is encoder. Next question is, what criteria are necessary to consider when selecting a stepper motor? Options are mechanical motion, inertial load, speed requirements, and all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. When we selecting stepper motor, these properties should be stepper motor. Next question is, a pulse can be produced by which means? Options are microprocessor, timing logic, toggle switch, all of the above. So correct answer is all of the above. We can produce pulses, microprocessor, timing logic, and toggle switch. Now we are discussing some important points about stepper motor. In stepper motor, pole pitch is equal to 360 degree upon N, and step angle is equal to 360 degree upon P into N. That means step angle is equal to 360 degree upon number of phases and number of poles. Step angle of the hybrid stepper motor is beta is equal to Ns minus Nr into 360 degree upon Ns into Nr, where Ns is equal to number of stator teeth and Nr is equal to number of rotor teeth. The rotor locks into stator in position theta is equal to 0 degree or theta is equal to 360 upon t, where t is equal to number of rotor teeth. Stator teeth of various stacks differ by angular displacement of alpha is equal to 360 upon n into t, where n is equal to number of stacks. Directional control is possible with 3 or more phases. And if n is the speed in revolution per minute, s is the steps per second, then step per revolution is n into s upon 60. That means SPS is equal to n into s upon 60.